Hey, guys. Welcome to my channel. This video is about the top 4 business ideas of 2023. I will let you know what are the top 4 business ideas in 2023, and how to excite them with the approximate investment needed to put on. Here we go. Understanding the difference between an idea and a plan. Examine what is going to be trending in 2023. Visiting websites that are relevant to your desired business idea. Looking into how new business ideas will change over time. Somehow, it's difficult to predict with certainty what the top business ideas will be in 2023, however, as it depends on many factors such as market trends, consumer preferences, and technological advancements. That being said, here are a few business ideas that have the potential to be successful in the coming years. Number 1. Online education. With the increasing demand for flexible, remote learning options, online education platforms and tutoring services could be in high demand. Number 2. Health and wellness. As people continue to prioritize their health and well-being, businesses that offer products or services related to health and wellness, such as fitness centers, healthy meal delivery services, or telemedicine, may be successful. Number 3. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. There is a growing trend towards sustainability, and consumers are increasingly looking for eco-friendly products. Few examples, like biodegradable cutlery, bamboo picnicware, reusable paper towel alternatives, silicone or stainless steel straws, waterless laundry detergent strips, countertop composters, clothes made from recycled fabric, sustainable shopping bags and upcycled furniture. Businesses that offer sustainable and environmentally conscious products or services may be successful. Number 4. E-commerce and delivery services. The growth of e-commerce and the increasing demand for convenient delivery options could lead to opportunities in this space. Consider starting an online store or offering delivery services for other businesses. How to execute these businesses? To execute any of these business ideas, there are several steps you can take. Number 1. Develop a business plan. A business plan outlines your goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing and operational strategies. It can help you get a clear picture of your business and how to make it a reality. Number 2. Determine your target market. Identify who your potential customers are and what their needs and preferences are. This will help you tailor your products or services to meet their demands. Number 3. Find a location. If you need a physical location for your business, find a suitable space that meets your needs and is easily accessible to your target market. Number 3. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits to operate legally. Check with your local government to see what is required. Number 4. Set up your financials. Establish a system to track your income and expenses and determine how to price your products or services. Number 5. Promote your business. Develop a marketing plan to get the word out about your business. This can include social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and more. Number 6. Deliver excellent customer service. Providing high-quality customer service can help you stand out from your competitors and build customer loyalty. By following these steps and being consistent and persistent, you can turn your business idea into a successful reality. I have also given a link in the description about top trading business ideas with low investment 2023. Check out that also. Approximate investment idea to start these businesses. The amount of investment required to start a business depends on various factors, including the size and scope of the business, the location, and the resources needed to get it off the ground. Here is a rough estimate of the investment required for each of the business ideas I mentioned earlier. Number 1. Online education. The investment required for an online education business will depend on the type of courses you are offering and how you plan to deliver them. If you are creating your own content, you may need to invest in equipment and software to produce high-quality materials. If you are offering tutoring or coaching services, you may need to invest in a website and marketing efforts to attract clients. Overall, The investment for an online education business could range from a few $1,000s to several $100,000, depending on the scale of the business. Number 2. Health and wellness. The investment required for a health and wellness business will depend on the specific type of business you are starting. For example, starting a small fitness center may require a significant investment in equipment and lease costs, while a health coaching business may require a smaller investment in marketing and a website. Overall, the investment for a health and wellness business could range from a few $1,000s to several $100,000. Number 3. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. The investment required for a business selling sustainable and eco-friendly products will depend on the type of products you are selling and how you plan to manufacture and distribute them. You may need to invest in equipment and materials to create your products, as well as a website and marketing efforts to reach your target market. The investment for this type of business could range from a few $1,000s to several $100,000, depending on the scale of the business. Number 4. E-commerce and delivery services. The investment required for an e-commerce or delivery service business will depend on the specific products or services you are offering and how you plan to fulfill orders. You may need to invest in a website, marketing efforts, and possibly warehouse or storage space and delivery vehicles. The investment for this type of business could range from a few $1,000s to several $100,000, depending on the scale of the business. Hope this content helped you. Thank you for watching.